Marketed as having camera quality comparable to a DSLR, the Honor X8a hails to the crowd as the newest smartphone from Honor with its amazing image capturing capabilities. But will it stand up to what it claims? Let us find out in this full review. Before we start our review, we would like to let you know that we also publish articles on digitalreg.net. You might want to check it out as we have also written a review of this smartphone. The link is in the comment section below. Like other Honor X series smartphones, it comes in a typical box that has a back picture of the smartphone. Having above it is the model name. Inside the box, you will find the device, clear silicone case, SIM tray ejector, 22.5 watts charging brick, USB Type-A to Type-C cable, USB Type-C to headset jack adapter, and a quick starter guide. We did not expect that they included an audio adapter, which is a nice addition to it. We received the Cyan Lake variant of the Honor X8a, which has a grainy light blue to dark blue finish depending on the angle of light hitting the phone. The matte finish doesn't leave fingerprints, and the phone is made of plastic, which is common in this price range. The Honor X8a is also available in two other color variants, titanium silver and midnight black. Despite having a 6.7-inch display, the Honor X8a weighs only 179 grams, which is quite light for its size. It has a boxy shape with a style that provides a nice grip in the hands. At the rear, it has a triple camera setup, and on the front is a punch hole camera. The power button also functions as a fingerprint scanner, with the volume rocker located above it on the right side. The bottom of the phone features a speaker grill, USB Type-C port, and a microphone hole. The left side houses the SIM tray, which can hold 2 nano SIM cards. The Honor X8a features a 6.7-inch 90Hz LTPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2388p. The side bezels and bottom chin are slim. The colors are vibrant for an LCD display, and the viewing angle is decent. Viewing it under the sun is also acceptable. The Honor X8a uses a 3-year-old MediaTek Helio G88 chipset. The price of the Honor X8a is significantly higher than other smartphones with the same chipset. It is paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It runs on Magic UI 6.1 based on Android 12. It is similar to older Honor phones. The bloatware is minimal and removable except for some Honor apps. Our experience when navigating the phone is smooth and bug-free. While the Honor X8a can handle low-demanding games like Mobile Legends, it struggles with the highly demanding games like Genshin Impact. Opening the game takes several minutes, and it can only be played on the lowest graphic settings at 30 FPS with occasional stutters. So, if you are just into playing casual games, this smartphone is suitable for you. The fingerprint sensor, which is integrated into the power button, performs adequately and fulfills its purpose. However, if you want a faster unlocking method, the face unlock is a better option. Keep in mind, though, that it cannot be used in dark environments. The main selling point of the Honor X8a is its DSLR-like camera quality, which they have mentioned and claimed. It has a triple camera setup at the rear, consisting of 100 megapixels on its main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The front camera is a 16 megapixel camera. When taking pictures with the rear camera, the pixels are bin to 25.16 megapixels, which is much higher compared to other smartphones that typically bin their cameras from 12 to 16 megapixels. This is a great advantage as the quality is much higher even when zoomed in, but the file size is slightly larger. Moreover, you can capture pictures at the full 100 megapixel camera resolution by switching to the high-res mode. The picture quality of the rear camera in well-lit environment is impressive. It produces vibrant colors, decent dynamic range, and sharp details even when zoomed in, thanks to its high pixel binning count that made this possible. However, steady hands are required when taking pictures as it lacks optical or electronic image stabilization. Occasionally, we notice that the color of the image is not quite right, but you can acquire your desired image by taking 2 or 3 additional shots. In low-light environments, capturing images without adjusting the exposure is pretty decent. The exposure is acceptable, the colors are fine, and the details are good. However, some noise can be seen in our images. Additionally, similar to well-lit pictures, there are occasional instances when the colors appear more greenish. The other rare cameras tell a different story. The ultra-wide camera has a low megapixel count, and the details can appear quite soft in some scenarios with prominent noise in images. As for the macro camera, the quality is expected with its 2 megapixel camera. On the other hand, the 16 megapixel front camera performs well. It produces natural skin tones, decent dynamic range, and great details. Even when taking a selfie with the filter enabled, the image quality remains pleasant. When recording videos, both the rear main camera and the front camera can record up to 1080p at 30 fps. However, the video quality is not that good as the colors can appear washed out, and the details are not very sharp. Additionally, when the camera is in motion, the footage can be very shaky as it lacks stabilization. The Honor X8a is powered by a 4500 mAh battery and can be charged with the included 22.5 watts charger. When used for general purposes like browsing the internet, scrolling through social media, taking pictures, and listening to music, it only lasted for 7 hours. In our PC Mark battery stress test, it lasted for only 10 hours and 38 minutes, which is below average compared to other smartphones in the price range. Upon charging it with the included charger, it is able to fully charge from 0% to 100% over 1 hour. The Honor X8a has a solid camera performance, delivering great images regardless of whether it's day or night. The design is also great, both visually and in terms of grip. However, for heavy users, they find it slow and lacking, and the chipset shows its age and the battery life is below average. Overall, if you're looking for a solid camera under 15,000 pesos, this is a good option for its price point. And that's it! We hope that with this video review, we were able to help you decide if this one is the right fit for your personal preference in buying a smartphone. Don't forget to hit the like button for this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on our latest videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video.